After yesterday's basic horror shorts, now we're stepping it up. Multi-shots in Sora 2. Can it stay consistent across shots? Challenge on. Multi-shots sound straightforward, but watch me fight for consistency in this horror build. All right, starting simple, 2 connected shots. Let's see if Sora even tries to stay consistent today. Shot 1, a shadowy figure slowly walking toward a wooden door in a dark hallway. Shot 2, door creaks open, revealing a monster. Keep lighting and character silhouette consistent. Oh, it's good. But I think there is many mistakes. What you think? Drop your opinion and comment. Second try, boosting mood and locking visuals tighter. Shot 1, shadow figure approaching an old wooden door in a flickering hallway, cold blue moonlight, dusty air. Shot 2, door opens to reveal the same monster silhouette from shot 1. Same lighting direction, same shadows, maintain exact character proportions and style. Oh snap, better lighting this time, but character changed posture weirdly. Okay, we go stronger. Third try, adding locked identity and giving the camera that crispy horror flavor. Let's make it impossible for Sora to mess up. Shot 1, the same dark humanoid figure with long limbs approaches a cracked old door. 35mm lens, soft haze, single side lights. Shot 2, door opens revealing a monstrous version of the same figure. Exact same lighting direction, same outfit, same proportions. Match grain, shadows, and camera angle. Hey, this is way closer. Shots actually match, but I want even more cinematic tension. Time for a level up. Final try, max difficulty, full atmospheric vibe, locked props, locked lighting, proper horror pacing. If this works, Sora graduates. Shot 1, narrow hallway with flickering neon lights, floating dust, subtle fog. A tall, long-limbed shadow figure wearing a torn black coat walks slowly toward an ancient wooden door. Shot 2, the same figure stops as the door creaks open, revealing a monstrous form of the same character. Lighting, cold blue rim light, plus warm flicker from overhead. Shot 3, intense close-up jump scare of the same monster face. Match lighting direction, outfit textures, facial structure, shadows, and color grading across all shots. Bro, this looks like an actual mini horror film. That's insane. Perfect for day 2 completion. So day 2 is all about multi-shot consistency in Sora 2. Key lessons: maintain character references, lock lighting, and iterate fast. Nail this and you're halfway to pro-level horror shorts. Smash like if you're joining the challenge.